This is here mathematical equation shows the relation between electric field with the infinite length of wire, and today I'm going to find it by using Gauss laws. We imagine this as a Gaussian surface, positive charge. We know that area vector is always perpendicular to that area, so area of there would be perpendicular area vector, and for this area this will be this side perpendicular, that is dA. For this area, this side perpendicular dA, that dA would be 2 pi RL, because this Gaussian surface is a cylinder. Now we know that this is positive charge Gaussian surface, so the electric field would be perpendicular for this area and perpendicular for this area, also perpendicular for this area. So the theta here would be 0 degree, also the theta here would be 90 degree, and theta here would be 90 degree. Now we know that formula for flux is equals to phi equals to EDA cos theta. For this the theta is 90 degree, and now we know that cos 90 degree equals to 0. Theta 1 would be 0, theta 2 would be 0, and we just need to find the electric field on the surface of this cylinder. So we are going to find this by using integration. Phi net equals to integration of EDA cos 0 degree. We know that cos 0 degree, that is 1, so phi EDA 1, that is equals to E dA, and we know that the value of EDA, that is 2 pi RL, so it will become 2 pi RL. Also it will be E into 2 pi RL, that is total flux. We know the Gauss's law says that total flux of a closed surface is always 1 by epsilon naught of the charge on the surface, that is going to be phi equals to q by epsilon naught. After putting q by epsilon naught on this equation, we will find that this is q by epsilon naught into 2 pi RL. Now if we take E equals to, solve this equation, we will find E equals to q by epsilon naught into 2 pi RL. We know that the formula for q by L is equals to lambda. So now we can write it as E equals to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught R. Now we got the formula for electric field on a closed surface of a Gaussian prism. Now we got a formula for find electric field for a infinite length of wire. If we multiply by 2 on the upper side and lower side of the equation into 2, the equation, that is equals to lambda by 2 lambda by 4 pi epsilon naught R. I know that the 2 lambda and also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, both are constants, so if we remove them, we find E is inversely proportional to R. This is the Gaussian law for a closed surface of infinite length of wire. Thank you.